In Patras, Greece, the world's first nanotechnology solar glass factory is transforming agriculture. Agri-Photovoltaics, designed for greenhouses and open fields, allow food and energy to grow simultaneously. The new era of agriculture begins here. Farmers face rising challenges: high energy costs, extreme weather, and limited water resources. Brite Solar brings innovation to the field, turning these challenges into new opportunities. Our panels are semi-transparent, designed to let sunlight reach the crops while producing clean energy. At their heart lies our patented nano-coating technology, a thin layer that absorbs harmful UV light and re-emits it as red light, the light plants love for photosynthesis. Every panel begins with precision. At this stage, individual solar cells are connected. Here, the level of transparency is defined. How much sunlight will pass through to the crops below? This depends on the number of solar cells placed within the panel, shaping the balance between light and energy production. Each panel is tailored to the needs of the plant and the climate, giving Brite Solar a unique advantage. Automated systems ensure perfect alignment and consistency, delivering flawless accuracy in a true display of advanced engineering. Layers, glass, cells, encapsulant, are laminated to form a durable, long-lasting panel. But production never ends at assembly. Before any panel leaves our factory, it goes through a series of rigorous tests to verify its performance and durability. Our EL testing reveals even the smallest imperfections in the electrical connections, while the solar simulator measures the power output of each panel. And, in parallel, every panel undergoes an electrical insulation test. Behind every panel stands a team driven by one vision: to develop high-quality, innovative products that help farmers grow smarter and cultivate sustainability. We test, refine, and verify so that when our glass reaches a field or greenhouse, it performs flawlessly for more than 25 years. From Greece to the world, Brite Solar redefines what solar technology can do. We protect crops, save water, produce energy, and drive the future of sustainable farming. Brite Solar. Join the revolution.